Okay, so in this video I'm going to go through how to open up your course folders each week for your MATH-013 class. If you notice, the first week is open, but then every subsequent week is currently closed and hidden from the students. So this is our Moodle site. Again, you can get there by navigating from your my.cotc.edu screen. You just log in. And you should be able to navigate. There is this tab over here for My Classes, and your Moodle site should show up there. And when you go into these, you can see that all of these other ones are hidden from your students. After you've finished teaching your first section of Math-013, what you're going to want to do is go to your Moodle page and turn editing on. After we have turned the editing on, then to make a folder available, you simply click Edit and then Show Selection. Now, this folder is open, but you can see that the in-class work for that given day is currently hidden. After I teach, I open this up the day after this lesson is complete, and then after I've taught the Analyzing Word Problems section, I'll go ahead and make this worksheet available, and then I will open the subsequent week. Then, after I have finished teaching this following week working with the graphing calculator, I will make this next one available. So on and so forth for the rest of the semester. Now, for those of you who are meeting on Mondays, you will not actually do this working with the graphing calculator week. So what you'll want to do is click Edit right here and then delete this selection. So after you've deleted that, that will go ahead and take care of that. Again, we do not, if you are teaching Math-013 this summer, you will not do the working with a graphing calculator because that week we will have Memorial Day, so we will not have class. Finally, if you are teaching on Monday of Memorial Book and you'll want to delete the Intro to Graphing Calculators quiz, you'll want to delete the Intro to Graphing Calculator out of classwork. Again, you can click right here, Edit, and Delete. And finally, you'll want to delete the Intro to Graphing Calculators in classwork as well. If you have any questions about these, please don't hesitate to reach out.